Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Nginx proxy timeouts and upstream errors, full guide step by step clearly. To verify Nginx proxy timeouts, start by accessing your server via SSH. Navigate to your Nginx configuration files, typically located in the /etc/Nginx directory. Identify the relevant Nginx configuration file for the site you wish to check. Open the configuration file using a text editor of your choice, like Vim or Nano. Look for the proxy_read_timeout, proxy_connect_timeout, and proxy_send_timeout directive. Take note of their values, as these determine the timeout durations for your Nginx proxy. Next, check the upstream server settings defined in your Nginx configuration. Locate the upstream block, which is usually found towards the top of the configuration file. Review the backend servers listed within the upstream block. Ensure they are correctly defined and reachable. Now, open the Nginx error log file to search for upstream errors. The default location for the error log is usually /var/log/nginx/error.log. Use a command like tailf/var/log/nginx/error.log to monitor real-time entries. Observe any errors, particularly those indicating issues with upstream servers. Common upstream errors include 502 bad gateway, 504 gateway timeout, and connection refused messages. If you encounter these errors, check the health of your upstream servers. You can perform a simple curl command to each upstream server to verify connectivity. For example, use curl http://upstream-server-address to check if the server is responding. If the upstream server is unreachable, investigate network issues or server status. Ensure your upstream servers are running and configured correctly. If necessary, adjust the timeout values in the Nginx configuration file to accommodate your backend servers. After making any changes, save the configuration file and exit the text editor. Test the Nginx configuration for syntax errors using the command sudo nginxt. If the test is successful, reload Nginx to apply the changes with sudo systemcll reload Nginx. Continue monitoring the logs for any further issues. Regular verification of Nginx proxy timeouts and upstream errors will help maintain server performance and reliability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.